Have you ever felt insecure or dissatisfied with your sexual performance? If so, you're not alone. Many men face challenges related to libido, erections, and energy. But what if I told you that there is a natural solution that can transform your intimate life? Stay with me until the end of this video to find out all about Erectonin MD. Erectonin MD is a natural supplement developed to improve male sexual health. Its unique formula aims to increase libido, improve the quality of erections, and provide more energy and confidence. Let's get to know the main ingredients of Erectonin MD and how they work. Tribulus terrestris, known to increase testosterone levels and improve libido. Horny goatweed, epimedium, traditionally used to improve erectile function and increase sex drive. L-arginine, amino acid that promotes the dilation of blood vessels, improving blood flow to the penis. Saw, palmetto, helps with prostate health and hormonal balance. Peruvian, maca, increases energy, stamina, and sex drive. These ingredients work synergistically to provide firmer erections, increase libido, and increase sexual performance. Attention! The success of Erectonin MD has attracted counterfeiters, and fake versions are circulating on the market. For your safety and to ensure all the benefits of the original product, buy only through the official website. The link is in the description of this video. There you will find exclusive purchase options for the United States as well as Canada. For best results, take 1 capsule of Erectonin MD daily, preferably before meals. Maintain a healthy routine and avoid alcohol and tobacco to enhance the effects. Don't let insecurity affect your intimate life. Try Erectonin MD and rediscover your confidence and enjoyment. Click on the link in the description to safely purchase the original product. Your satisfaction is just one step away.